Yeah, here in a little bit. Ooh, the homie on that Houston Super Show. That's the name of the show, right? The Super Show? The Houston Super Show, right? Well, it ain't Magnificos no more, but he on that car show crunch. Ooh, them eights, baby. They were gonna take it to SEMA, no? 2 days before the show, y'all see it at the show Sunday, at the Reliant something, right? Arena Hall. They don't do it at the hall no more, right? Oh yeah, let's. Dang, yeah, that ain't a lowrider, bro. I bet you if you take a picture, like crop out the wheels, they'll think it's like a lowrider. That bitch is clean. Nah, it looks good.
First time we cleaned that home.
Ooh, and they got the skirt on this side already. Ooh. Getting it together. Yeah, whatever is that? What's that called? The Beltline trim?
Yeah, Beltline trim.
That shit makes it look good, dog. It do. And the gray play off the gray on the inside. I like it. Yeah, you barely added them lights, right? It didn't have the lights. The lights is new?
No, I didn't have them.
Yeah. All right. Superman colorway with that red. That shit look good, dog. It pop. You had trouble with the brakes, right? You said? Trying to get it to work?
Huh?
The brakes? You were having a problem with the brakes?
They're like 60%.
Hey, as long as they stop.